Welcome to AgeRejuvenation. My name is Charles. I'm the Director of Operations for the company. I'm going to be giving you a tour of our offices today. We have locations in Orlando and the Tampa Bay area. All of our lobbies look like this. One of the things that I want to point out to you is in our lobbies, we do carry some private label supplements. They're very high quality supplements. They're made by Orthomolecular. All of our offices have these in stock. At AgeRejuvenation, we provide a wide range of services. Right now, I'm in our hyper wellness room where we do IV therapy. You'll see that unlike other clinics that do IV therapy, we don't just do IV therapy standalone. We offer some PMF mats while patients are receiving their IVs. We also offer molecular hydrogen and oxygen machines as well. So we're not just doing IV therapy by itself as other clinics do, we're providing a more comprehensive service. Continuing on with our hyper wellness theme, all of our locations do offer red light therapy beds. Here you'll see that we have a bed that has a 360 view of red light therapy from the top panels as well as the bottom panels. Typically a session is about 20 minutes each. In our hyper wellness rooms, we also offer sonics lymphatic vibration therapy. It offers low frequency sound waves to stimulate the lymphatic system to enhance circulation, detoxification, and overall wellness. Also in our rooms, we offer molecular hydrogen and oxygen therapy as well. Aside from our main services such as hormone therapy and weight loss, we also provide aesthetic services as well. We believe in beauty on the outside as well as in. So here you'll see this is our injecting room. We offer a wide range of neurotoxin as well as fillers and threads in all of our locations.